In this FM Web tutorial, we'll be taking a look at locations. I hope to answer three questions. What is a location? What use is a location? And how is a location created? A location is a geographical area defined on the map by the user and has been given a meaningful name, which can then be used to monitor when a vehicle exits or enters a location. There are two methods of creating a location: adding a location from any map or adding a location by address. We will first take a look at adding a location from any map. Click on Active Tracking and then maximize your workspace by clicking on the arrow. First decide what shape your location should be: rectangle, circle, polygon or polyline. To choose the shape, click on the shape. On the map, for rectangles and circles, we need to click and drag. The Locations Details dialog box will open. Enter the location name, select the location type. These have been predefined in FM Pro. Enter the required details, and once done, click Save. For a polygon or polyline, a polyline will be used for roads and bridges. Click on the map for each point, and then double-click to close the shape. The Locations Details dialog box will open. Enter the required details, and click Save. To access the menu window again, click on the arrow. To add a location by address, we need to go to Tools. Click on Manage Locations, and in the top left-hand corner, click on the second icon. Enter the address and click Search. Double-click on the search result, and the address will now be displayed on the map. Select your shape of choice, create the shape, and the Locations dialog box will open. As before, give the location a name, and choose the location type, and then complete the relevant details. Click Save once done. In the Manage Locations menu, several options are available. In the list, you can sort on the location name, or you can sort by location type. At any time, you can return to the Manage Locations menu and edit any addresses if required. Simply double-click on the address, and the Locations dialog box will open. You can view the location on the map and update contact details if required. The ability to delete a location is also available. Check the box next to the location and click on the rubbish bin. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the location. Click Yes. For further detail, please remember to consult the help file. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.